Welcome to my video on just listening to me making noises. Sounds fun. No, I'm really bored right now. It's gonna show you some of the impressive noises that I can make, and if you haven't visited my channel, thegroovynewts, then you need to if you want to learn how to make them. First off, I can whistle really loud with my fingers, and it would sound like this. Oh, my parents didn't hear that. Yeah. So that is my finger whistle. I'll do it again. That's my whistle with my fingers. My next one is the water drop noise, which sounds like a water drop noise. That's why it's called that. Wow, I sound really stupid. Okay, it sounds like this. Now, that noise is perfect for when it's completely silent during class and you just want to make a distraction and make everyone look at you. Sorry about my hair. It looks horrible today. Anyways, yeah. The water drop noise. Next is the crab scratch, also known as the abra scratch. I don't know. I didn't name it that. This noise normally people incorporate it into their beatbox beats because it sounds like a scratch that you would do on a disc. So now you would make that noise like, say, if I were to beatbox, which I'm not good at, just saying, but something like that. But if you hear it from a real beatboxer, then it would sound much better because I'm not that good at beatboxing. But anyways, yeah. Crab scratch, abra scratch, whatever. Next would be the bubble noise. I don't know. I think it sounds like a bubble noise because whenever I do it, it just sounds like bubble noise. Okay. So you might have had to turn up your volume a little bit on that noise because it's kind of quiet, but yep, that's my bubble noise. I can also do a race car noise. I'm really doing the race car noise, like I'm not just covering my mouth, but I have to cover my mouth like that because it sounds better if I do it like that, whatever, but yeah, that's my race car noise. I mean, it sounds like a chainsaw or just a fart to some people, but I think it sounds like a race car. Also, I know how to do a hooting noise. This only works occasionally for me when I have a good day, but say. Yeah. Not my best, but that's not my best noise, but it sounds alright. Whatever. I could do a cricket noise. Just saying I'm gonna be covering my mouth again, but I'm really doing it. I'll do it without my hands in front of my mouth. I'll do it. And I think it just sounds better if I were to cover my mouth like this. That's my cricket noise. Also, what else do I know how to do? I can make a, I'm sure everybody knows how to make a fart noise, like, I mean, that's pathetic if you don't know how to do that, but This is a little different because I do this with my hands instead of my mouth. I do. It's my fart noise with my hands. Also, my gunshot noise. My gunshot noise. That's also a laser thingy. Yeah. I probably looked really stupid doing that just now. Whatever. Oh. This next note. Everyone knows how to do that, I'm sure. And if you don't know how to do it, you could just look at me doing it right now and you would know how to do it. That's the popping noise. Any other noises I don't remember of. But yeah. Those are all the noises. If you want to learn any of those noises, go to my channel called thegroovynewts. And on my channel, I've got all of these videos that teaches you how to make every one of those noises that I've made today. So, yeah. Also, on my channel, I do have I do teach, like, simple guitar lessons. See, I've got my guitar in the back, actually, wrong way, over there. But, yeah, I play guitar, I play piano. I only do guitar tutorials because I can't hook up my camera to my piano I don't know. But anyways, yeah. Visit my channel if you like it, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.